Dynamics 365 is a product line of enterprise resource planning and CRM applications designed for larger scale businesses. Microsoft Dynamics 365 was released in 2016 and is a cloud-based platform that utilizes a very user-friendly and customizable interface that ultimately allows clients to maneuver through the site with ease. This is the main home dashboard, and we have our sales hub and customer service hubs pinned at the top so that we can easily access them. The sales hub deals with all of the business processes having to do with sales, service, and marketing. So we're going to go into that one here pretty quickly. One additional thing about Dynamics 365 is that something that really separates Dynamics 365 from its competitors is that it combines those CRM and enterprise resource planning components with productivity applications and artificial intelligence tools that creates a more efficient work environment that will lead to more productive businesses. So once you're in the Sales Hub, you can customize the dashboard here and get everything that you want up front. That way you can access it easily. It's extremely easy to find, manage, and share everything from customer accounts and contacts to leads. The customer accounts, one thing that our clients really like about that is that they can see all their accounts on their main page. If there's an inquiry about something, they can easily see that. If it was Oak Tree Simulations, they can go in, see the phone number, maybe what they inquired on, when it happened, and it's all right there easily so that they can see. On top of that, tying in with accounts is all of the contacts. This makes it easy to be able to reach out, see who inquired on behalf of what company, what that was, and just tying that in with the accounts. One additional thing that our clients really like is being able to manage all of their leads. So you can, from the leads page, you can see which leads you have open, leads that are closed, leads that might need more attention. So from the all leads standpoint, you can easily access and get into, see who the lead is coming from, who the owner of it is, so who created it. So for instance, team 3, team 5, the status of the lead is something that's extremely important, whether it's a new one, it's qualified, just knowing what it is and the reason for it and when it was created.
Dynamics 365 is something that's really beneficial to companies nowadays, including with the customer service hub, the sales hub, and all their other apps that they provide. One unique thing about 365 though is the unified interface. With the new version coming out, the 9.0, Microsoft has introduced a new experience of Dynamics 365 called the unified interface. Well, businesses, as they seek to support productivity and growth with mobility-friendly solutions, the new interface helps you steps toward those kind of goals. Whether you're customer service, or you're trying to handle contacts at the desk, or just a sales rep gathering information on the go, this interface helps you do that on all different kinds of mobile and tablet devices. Some examples I've heard of as said is similar format experiences to update and view your records, interactive dashboards across all devices. The reference panel is now available, which is a highly recommended thing. And all experience on a unified interface have been accessibility improved. And it's very stable and intuitive, which makes it easier and faster for you to work with your CMR data. Another thing is the integrated productivity experience, which not only Microsoft 365 covers the basics of communications, but also includes a variety of capabilities that ensure people to connect and work together more collectively. Some of the most commonly are Skype, SharePoint. As you see, I'm just going through, look at the sales activity dashboard, see that, contacts that we have on our page, the leads, different stuff like this. So as far as dynamics for marketing, speaking of integration, it's been having marketing automation systems connect directly with corresponding CRM solutions as well. Over the years, there's been several attempts for Microsoft to build and acquire marketing automation products that work seamlessly with CRM, but this latest offering called Dynamics for Marketing, they have finally gotten it right, as they believe. So this is our sales activity dashboard. As you can see, we have a couple numbers in here: our develop, our close, our won, our open, our loss, and it's very, very well laid out. Very easy to access. And as you can see, we have open leads over here. Go into the marketing tab, so you can see that as well, as I was just talking about that. Our campaign type mix, our campaign budget versus our actual costs and stuff like that. So if we head on back to the home, 365 also has automated insights and intelligence, which most organizations accumulate a lot of data over the course of the day. Few take full advantage of this potential wealth of information, which is kind of unusual. But Microsoft is working with people to change the artificial intelligence and AI machine as well. Some of the main apps that we've been using is the Sales Hub, as I just showed you now, Project Service, and the resourcing scheduling as well. Some of the resource scheduling does reminds you of upcoming stuff, identify email messages maybe waiting for you to reply to, or alert you when an opportunity is near a close date, and information like that. Also, the security and compliance of the General Protection Regulation and 365 is also beneficial as well.
So, just kind of going into a couple of things. So, strategic advantages to the customer service hub. It provides seamless customer service, which will encourage the customer to continue to buy from the company. Having the opportunity to use this app is really going to do just that. It's really about taking care of the customer, and if they feel like they're taken care of because we are organized, they're going to come back and they're also going to recommend us to others as well. So be able to get a little bit more business. So this specifically has a really familiar interface. I mean, there's a lot of things that are pretty self-explanatory when you click through each page. And it can also be used in conjunction with other Outlook products such as email and SharePoint. Easy customization and price point make this application a no-brainer. The case management specifically is really going to help deliver that consistent customer care. That way we're tracking just the process that we're using to resolve any issues. And I mean, if a customer has reoccurring issues, maybe there's something that we're missing, and we're able to kind of look through issues that they've had and then improve the business in that way. Size of the market for this. So this is really meant for larger corporations. It'd definitely be useful in smaller corporations, but it's really, can a smaller corporation afford what this complex system can do, and does a smaller business, I guess, with a couple of accounts that they're managing really need this. I mean, it would be very beneficial for them to have, but I think because of the complexity, it would work a lot better with a larger corporation. The support infrastructure with this, so you can really use these knowledge articles to help answer any questions. Just because of the search bar, it's going to make it really fast and efficient to search for any issues that other customer service representatives have had to deal with. If not, there is a 1-800 number that can be called 24/7 for help as well. Ease of adoption and rollout. So with anything, it's going to depend on the size of the team. So the larger the team, the longer it'll take to implement. It is a complex system, so it'll take a little bit of time to use, but it also depends on how the training is implemented. If they're very aggressive with the training, or if they're kind of more laissez-faire and laid back about it. The cost structure is dependent on if this is used as a cloud or if it's not, and which areas the individual wants to use. So there's a customer service area. There's also a sales finance area as well. This pricing specifically is $50 per user per month for the customer service professional and $95 per user per month for customer service enterprise. The customer service insights is separate and it's an additional charge. It's not included in this. So as I had stated before, Dynamics 365 seamlessly connects departments for better output. It shortens the sales cycle and enhances customer retention through customer service and its support systems. If you want to streamline your leads and optimize customer care with one easy and effective system, you need to try Dynamics 365 today.